My name is Abner, and Brawler claims he's the fastest doing an RJ45 in the West. I want to challenge you to see who can do the fastest RJ45 and the fastest.
My friend, what you've been challenged. What do you think of your contestant opponent?
I don't think he's as fast as me because I am the fastest at doing an RJ45.
So here you have it. The challenger believes he can win. Let's stay tuned for the fight. Hold it back! Hold it back! Hold it back! Ladies and gentlemen, we are here live in sunny Van Nuys, California. This is our first ever RJ45 race-off to decide who is the fastest and best crimper on the team. Now, the title for today is going to be the first official... I was hoping...
Crimp on?
Huh?
The first official crimp on?
The first official Crimping Championship belt of the world. Yes, you heard it here today first, ladies and gentlemen of the world. And you out there, are you ready to challenge the winner? Leave us a comment down below. Send us a message. You can be the next RJ45 champion if you dare. Believe you can defeat the champion today. And we are ready for the fight. Let's get it going.
Yeah, so before that, we have to see who's the winner for today. We have Abner going up against Braulio. So
yes, let's do the official intro. So we have our challengers today. Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
yeah, so we have Braulio, who's got about 10 years of experience.
There's definitely a mismatch here today,
Yeah.
if I say so myself. Oh no. It's always the new guys that will challenge you and make sure you feel the pain.
Yeah.
And today Abner has declared himself the best one on the team. So we have Braulio saying, you know what? I believe I can take you out, young buck. You think you're a hot shit? Not in this house.
So let's. I think the contenders are getting ready.
Talking about the mismatch. So Braulio is a 10-year professional.
Yes.
I believe a bit more than that. I don't know. I couldn't say for sure how many years are dedicated to RJ45 crimps, but I'm sure it's very many. Now, for sure, we have the self-declared champion, Abner, who has 3 years. 4 years of great experience. Now, will that matter today? Let us find out.
Let's get to it. Let's find out. Let's see if he's got what it takes.
Fighters are in the ring. It's about to go down. Let us watch a good fight. You know, not a whole lot of trash talking happen, but we'll see if that remains after the fight.
I didn't even think they could be in the same table together.
We had to hold them back a little bit. So this is very definitely surprising. All right, here we go. Oh, we got a quick start there. They had their tools ready to go. Oh,
I like that's interesting. So one went with shears, the other one went with
wire strippers
Wire
from
strippers.
Knipex. Shout out to Knipex. I believe they call them drops. I don't remember what they're called exactly, but it definitely did make a little bit more. It's a little bit more finesse than the Knipex. The Knipex is a lot heavier tool, and the Klein. Oh, we got a
crimp.
First crimp.
All right, so I just want to remind everybody we are not doing any pass-through stuff here.
No pass through.
So
Why is he stopping? Why did he stop?
So that wasn't the...
Oh my goodness, that'll cost him in the end, I believe.
I think he got excited.
He got a little too excited.
He thought he only had to do one end.
Oh no.
Like what's going on there?
But Abner's right behind him. He's right behind him. That might affect him in the long run. Hopefully, Braulio will learn from his mistake.
Look at the dedication. Like you got Abner. He's just staring straight down. He's not looking around it. He's kind of ignoring everything that's happening around him, right?
Yeah.
Like his concentration is white, orange, orange, white, blue, green, white, right, bro. Well, I think I got that wrong. What in the world?
You know what? I think I am ready to challenge Adolfo. We'll see you on the next episode, Adolfo. But you're right next to me. We'll see you on the next episode, Adolfo.
Let's do it, my friend. Yeah, they're like head to head right now.
I see a little bit of nervousness there on Braulio's hands. It seems that early victory has cost him that head start he had.
He passes.
Wait.
Oh, is Abner done? Oh, what?
He's verifying before he calls it a victory. I think he beat him. He didn't declare victory, but I think hands on table means done.
Oh!
Fight
White,
is
green,
done.
right?
So we have
White, green, orange, green,
our
blue?
speed victor, Abner.
I think this is what I did bad. I don't know. I
Wait.
think this might have
Don't
been.
doubt him.
We'll see.
Now
We'll
it's
see.
verification
That's
time,
not a good
gentlemen.
All right, so definitely the fastest was Abner.
Oh, here we come with a verification time. Dog. All right. Now we have to do our fluke test here.
Yeah, no,
Do
my.
we get a pass?
Mine messed up. I could see it in the colors.
No.
The second one. Yeah.
Oh no!
Ladies and gentlemen, we had a great fight. It was a definite, exciting day here at Active Networks, but we have two winners. Unfortunately, one person did not win both. We have the speed run for our first connector. Our winner is Braulio. But the problem is, being fast doesn't mean being good. He failed. That means this cable failed. Garbage! We have our true winner, Abner Hernandez. Congratulations, you win. A high five and a kiss from our beautiful model here.
Mrs. ¿Cómo se llama la que ganó el concurso? Mrs. Universe.
Mrs. Universe.
Let's go, he has the belt. And still the champ.
And still, the champion of Active Networks, Abner Hernandez.
So I know it's been a tough season for you. I know it's been hard, but tell us how you feel.
No, man, great opponent. It had me in the first time, not gonna lie. But
Yeah, I saw that.
yeah, I mean, been in the game for a while now, but training all these years, finally got my super low voltage belt.
Yeah.
Very proud of that. Just want to say hi to my family. Thanks to my family, everybody at work, everybody who taught me everything. Just can't say no, man.
There you go, people.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed it. They definitely, poured a lot of effort into this. We can't wait to see him come up against the next challenger. I hope he's ready. Oh, I think Luis.
I'm coming out of retirement. I believe you have a new challenger, Abner. And it is me.
Oh!
You think of yourself as the best RJ45 maker in the company? No, my friend. No. I am coming out of retirement. But you are today's winner, our champion for the day, Abner Hernandez. Wow. What a great competitor.
Thanks for joining us
Thank
on
you.
this first battle of RJ45. On to the next one, where my man Lou Dog here has challenged our winner, our champion, El Senor Abner. Stay tuned, everybody.
Crimping action right there.
It's coming soon.
Also, you guys want to make the outro?